Hello everyone, welcome to JCV Studies. So here is our fifth example on the eliminations of arbitrary constants. So lagi nating tatandaan that the number of arbitrary constant determines how many times we can differentiate an equation. And in our example here, we have two arbitrary constants. So ibig sabihin, dalawang beses natin siyang i-differentiate. So magiging x prime is equal to negative omega c sub 1 sine omega t plus omega c sub 2 cosine omega t. And the second derivative is going to be equal to negative omega squared c sub 1 c sub 1 cos omega t minus omega squared c sub 2 sine omega t. So we'll let this as equation 1, equation 2, and equation 3. So pwede pa nating i-write itong ating equation 3 by dividing both sides by omega squared. So we'll have x double prime over omega squared, which is gonna be equal to negative c sub 1 cos omega t minus c sub 2 sine omega t. And para ma-cancel natin itong arbitrary constant or para ma-eliminate natin siya, we can use or we can add equation 1. So, ating equation 1 will have x is equal to c sub 1 cos omega t plus c sub 2 sine omega t. And then we'll have x double prime over omega squared plus x is equal to 0, since this part is just going to be equal to 0, and we can simplify this pa by multiplying it both sides by omega squared. So we'll have x double prime plus omega squared x is equal to 0, and this is going to be our final answer.